it will look like the Jaramogi's tomb.
Been here the whole night trying to prepare this final resting place for Baba. We are very well on course and the progress is very good. Since yesterday, of course, as you can see, yesterday by evening, we were preparing the floor down there. Now we've lifted the walling and we are now in the final stages of putting the finishes on the floor and the walls, and then we'll be done so that we are ready for tomorrow. So this is a very significant moment for us in history, because we are here to witness the construction of this very important facility that will carry Baba for the rest, what we call eternity.